It's just back on. King Frank Victor 2. Southbound 30 over 6, 85 miles right lane, modern traffic.
They're 9 units. Available to spike 6.
That's 1756 gets up here and try to block it. They keep getting stuck in traffic and they're not trying to recklessly get out of it, they're just slowing down. Probably 79 or 80. Hello. White female driver, black hair, 40s.
Passing 63 fever 82. Light traffic right now. We're trying to box her in. Stand by. Yeah, she sees us. She's totally going around us. We're coming up to the rest area. I'll get in front again, see if you can push her over towards the shoulder.
Light traffic.
Do you ever get a good visual of the driver?
I believe so. She made eye contact with us. I think it's going to be 79. There. Southbound 26 over 8.
Clearly will be down the county line. Traffic.
Off the right side of the road. Right in 31. Right, 31. Start EMS.
Start squad, single line. Emergency room off the red. Roll over out 6 times.
Yep, yeah.
Hey, fire hydrant, or
No seatbelt.
I smell something. Hey! He's alive. Come out! Get out here! Climb
Wear
out!
gloves.
Get the mechanic's glove.
What?
Get the mechanic's glove.
Yeah.
You stay with her. Watch her.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. EMS coming. Why'd you do that? Where are you going? Where?
You got alcohol right there in your left front. You got alcohol. What's your name?
She's bleeding from the head.
I'll get dog.
I can't tell if it's minor laceration or more.
That's from the crash. Here, pull over.
Can you hear me? Did you cut your head? Okay, were you wearing your seatbelt? Should be just a cut. She advised she was wearing a seatbelt. She said she's trying to run from people chasing her. People have a GPS on there, I guess. We're not moving her quite yet. She was wearing a seatbelt down there.
She was.
That's what she said.
She's
Good. I think she sideswiped it earlier. It was very minor paint transfer. I think that was from the first time she cut off. I felt something, I wasn't 100% sure.
I don't know if there's any knives in here or not either.
Hey, what?
Knives.
Well, then it was completely intentional with this coding one.
Also start next available. Signal 5.
okay right now. I think all the blood is from this laceration. They really bad.
Okay.
Tell me where she's at and what's happening and everything.
Did you get your gauze?
I don't have any gauze in my. They got rid of them.
Will be container with alcohol in here as well. Okay.
We got
Are you feeling
sterile dressing. I assume this is some sort of wrap. EMS is on the way. We have other stuff too.
What?
We have other stuff too right behind you.
Yeah.
Okay. You say you're ER?
I see.
I see you. I see you.
I'm on my way to work. You guys gonna give me a work note?
Sure.
All right, sweetheart, I'm